Zero suicide is a county-wide initiative. The goal is for there to be zero suicide in our communities. Leading this charge is Kern County Behavioral Health and Recovery Services.
It is probably one of the most preventable diseases or disorders or events in the United States that kills people.
But suicide isn't just a problem in our country, it's a problem right here at home.
Last year we lost 130 people in Kern County to suicide. This year we're up to 88 people.
And those aren't statistics, those are people. Ruby McNitch lost her son to suicide. He was 30 years old. She would have done anything to stop him, but knows she can't. So instead, she focuses on preventing others from feeling her pain.
There is help and there is hope, and people don't know that. They're afraid to say, I'm depressed, I'm, anxious, I'm, any kind of mental disorder we're afraid to talk about, and we shouldn't be, because like anything else, there's help and there's hope.
So how do we help? How do we get zero suicide? First, we need to change the way we approach suicide prevention.
So much about suicide is prevention after someone has had a suicide attempt. And if they actually have taken their life, it's over.
This is why the first goal of zero suicide is to make everyone in our community suicide aware, specifically training for doctors, cops, teachers, anyone who frequently interacts with the community.
And you don't have to work in the mental health field to save lives. You, Jeff, who work in the media, can save a life. Our camera person here can save a life. All of us, you don't have to be a professional to save a life.
In order for this to work, we all need to be able to spot the warning signs and do something about it. We all need to buy in. That's why the second goal is to remove the stigma surrounding suicide, giving people permission to ask if someone is suicidal and giving them permission to answer honestly.
Also need to know you can ask for help if something's wrong up here, because it's an illness, it's a medical illness. So we need to erase the stigma and talk about suicides.
Simply put, the first step to fixing a problem is acknowledging there is one, and we can't fix suicide if we aren't willing to talk about it. So this is us, starting the conversation in your homes and our own to discuss how we can help Kern County achieve their goal of zero suicide. Now, Kern County is the first county in California to attempt the Zero Suicide Initiative. They know it's bold and ambitious to rid the entire county of suicide, but they also say the only way to fix the problem is to be bold and ambitious. Live in studio tonight, Jeff Platt, Eyewitness News.
And our Zero Suicide Initiative coverage continues tonight on Eyewitness News at 10 on Fox 58. We will show you how suicide survivors are using their experience to help save lives. And then tomorrow on Eyewitness News, tomorrow morning on Fox 58, we'll let you know how you can get training right now to help save the life of someone considering